This is a quick video on how to install the MAX20 software for the alcohol breathalyzer, which works with the EBS 010. So these are the programs that you'll have to download following the link, which I will provide in the bottom of the video. There's a user guide on how to set up compatibility and that sort of thing, but I'm just going to go through it with you. The first thing I did is I went over here and I ran the drivers to make sure that you can see the device itself, and either run the 32-bit or the 64-bit version. So you just run that, and it's better to always run these things as administrator. Right click and choose run as administrator, and then once that is run, you just run through that quickly. You can double check that you are seeing the drivers by opening your device manager on your computer. You can go here and just search for it, or go to your control panel, look for device manager, open up the COM ports, and you should connect to the device itself. To test you connecting to it, if it's not plugged in, you won't see it, and if you plug it in, it should pick it up. And when it picks it up, as you can see there, it's called Silicon Labs, and it should have no errors. And then what you need to take note of is the COM port. In this case, it's COM5. Okay, so that's important for once you install the software. So the software, same sort of thing. Right click on it and run it as administrator, and then just continue it. Running on Windows 11, so it'll run on any version of Windows. It doesn't matter, even though it's a very old application. So this is MAX20 over here. The first thing I would suggest doing is right click on this and go to properties, and then what you need to do is go to this folder over here, or you can open files. Let me just see if it gives me that option. So if you open file location, so you click on open file location, you then go one back so that you see the folder over here. You right click on it, go to properties, then go to security, edit it, and make sure that you've ticked over here to allow full access with your username that you're logging on. You can do the same for administrators and for users. Make sure that it's got full rights. Very crucial part. So once that's full rights, see, this is how it will normally look over here, but once you've changed them, it will all be ticked like that. Okay, so once that's run and that's working, basically now you can right click on it, either run it as administrator, although if you've got full rights you should just be able to run it. Okay, I'm not sure why it's not running properly. I'm just going to run it again. Okay, this is how it opens up. You then go to settings over here. This will probably come on COM1 or COM2. You then choose COM5 over here, or the COM port that has come up. Make sure you have a look over here under device manager what the COM port number is, and select the correct COM port number over here. If you've got a webcam, tick on here as webcam, leave it as 640 by 480. You can choose to turn the sound on and off, and also the backups, and then just save that and close. Save is okay. That'll show you whether the lights are on. And that's it, you're set up, ready to go. You can follow the other videos, I'll leave links below on how to actually use the software itself.